What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Soundcore Space A40 earbuds. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Now on to the actual reset. Now for this, you're going to want to keep the case open, make sure both earbuds are connected to the case, and then you're going to locate this button right here, and you're going to press and hold for approximately 10 seconds until those 3 LED lights up front blink 3 times at the same time. So let's do that now. So this was my video on how to reset your Soundcore Space A40 earbuds. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.